Hey guys, this is Mrs. Long. We're going to take a look at a question like number 4 on your Unit 4 test. It says, what is the equation of the line that is perpendicular to 2x plus y equals -4 and passes through the point 2, -8? So we have the equation of a line. We want to find the equation of a line that's perpendicular to it and passes through that particular point. The first thing I have to do is I have to find the slope of the line they gave me. So that's this line right here. 2x plus y equals -4. Now to find the slope of that line, I want to put it in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So my first job is to solve for y. I want to get y all by himself. In order to get rid of the 2x, right now it's positive 2x, so I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. That leaves me with y equals, now I'm going to write my x term first here, -2x minus 4. And the reason I did that is it just makes it easier for me to identify that -2 is the slope. So the slope of this line is -2. Now remember, when I want to find a line that is perpendicular, I have to find the negative reciprocal. So I have to find the negative reciprocal of -2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over. So instead of 2 over 1, I'm going to make it 1 over 2. And I'm going to change the sign. So instead of it being negative, now it's going to be positive. So the slope of my new line is going to be 1/2. Okay? So let's write what we know so far. We know in the second line that the slope is 1/2. What we don't know is the y-intercept, or where it crosses the y-axis. So I'm going to have to plug in the coordinates of that point, 2, -8, to see if I can figure that out. So I'm going to plug in -8 for y. I'm going to plug in 2 for x. And I'm not going to plug anything in for b because that's what I'm looking for. So I get -8 equals 1/2 times 2 gives me 1 plus b. I subtract 1 from both sides. I get -9 equals b. And now I can fill in everything. So I'm going to switch to another color here. I want to put it in y equals mx plus b format. All right. My slope we determined is 1/2. And we determined that b is -9. So that is the equation of a line that's perpendicular to my original line and passes through this particular point. Hope that helps.